In other business news, the South African Revenue Service is confident in its aim to achieve its next big tax collection target of over 100 billion rand. SARS has extended the e-filing and payment deadline to the 14th of July after it experienced system glitches on the first day of submission for this tax season. The Revenue Service says it received 1.8 million logins on Monday, registering a record for a single day. SARS has further communicated that employers who experience delays in submitting their monthly documents will not be penalized. Several updates for 2025 e-filing have also been introduced, including express access, expanded auto-assessment eligibility, and stricter residency declarations. Tshepo Thebyane from Tax Consultant South Afrika explains the importance of scrutinizing one's documentation in this process.
The auto-assessment rollout was the 7th of July, and it was rather busy time for, us as tax petitioners, because then, for instance, we received a numerous amount of, inquiries from, taxpayers asking about whether, the refunds that they are receiving are actually accurate. And, we then advised them that, listen, it would be prudent that we, for instance, at first instance, we just, assess the income received during the entirety of the 2025 tax period and reconcile all, the relevant tax affairs that transpired during that respective period and compare it with the auto assessments to see if, to gauge the accuracy of the refunds. And, as it is always important for, the taxpayers to ensure that, that their banking details are updated accordingly as and when changes are made to their personal details. They need to ensure that they do it within 21 working days from the date that those respective changes transpire. And this is, per Section 23 of the Tax Administration Act. But yeah, it's been a rather really busy period for us, and just having to, run through the respective assessment with the clients and just ensure that the necessary was declared based on the submitted third-party dates on SARS eFiling.